Hey, good morning. I'm Owen Conflenti with KPRC Channel 2 News. Channel 2 weather, dry skies, lots of sunshine, and hot July temperatures today, feeling like 100. Now making headlines, a 2-year-old girl is fighting for her life after being shot in the head in North Houston. The 2-year-old was in the vehicle with her family when they got into a fight with another group of people. Police say the shooting could be gang-related. The race for the White House comes to Houston. Several Democratic candidates will be in town for the city's second Democratic Presidential Forum. Most of the top candidates will be here. The National Education Association is hosting the event from 2 to 4 this afternoon at the George R. Brown. If you need some more fun this weekend after July 4th, we've got you covered. In Sugar Land Town Square, you can enjoy more patriotic festivities at the Red, White, Blues and Brews event. That's tomorrow from 7 in the evening until 9. A cover band will pay tribute to George Strait. There'll be plenty of snacks and drinks. Have a great day and enjoy the weekend.